Hi, my name is Kianfar, and today I'm going to show you the site builder project that I was talking about. Okay, I create a new layout. I call it layout 1. The keyword, okay, layout 1. Uh, this is the page editor. Okay, we go to the advanced mode, so it will allow us to changing the layout and more options. The first option is the uh, view mode option, which lets you toggle the uh, magic stick, which you will be seeing in later. Uh, the preview mode and toggle the hidden widgets in current view mode. Again, you will see it later. The second option lets you change the layout editor language. Right now we are supporting Persian and English, but we are going, I think, for 12 languages. And as soon as the translation and other things are done, uh, I can be able to demo the English version also. The third one is view mode also, but it will let you choose the which view mode you are in. Uh, for example, you can put it in mobile mode. Right now there is nothing to see, so let me just add a row. I add a row. I want it to be a container mode, and I want 3 columns. They can be divided equally, or I can change the column size. Yes, that should do it. Okay, this is a magic stick, and you can, here I said you can toggle it, whether you want it to be shown here. I think there is a CSS spark. The icon color is the same as the background color. Okay, I just toggle it back. Okay, bugs, they are always there. Uh, okay, here you can go for mobile. See, in mobile they are going to be stacked in mobile portrait, tablet, tablet landscape, and desktop. Okay, the setting tab, the first option is additional setting. I think this one should go to the end because it is additional, but anyway, it will hold the publish date setting, which is a calendar, and you can, and access control, which if there are any users or roles defined in the system, here you can grant users, grant roles. We have product module admin role and no user. And here is here is for denying, and select for public. Okay, the second option is body setting. body setting. The first tab is uh, for body, as its full name. I will pick an image, PG. Okay. The background color should be white. The image should be color, and position is center. Center is good, and no margin and padding. Okay. The second tab is libraries. Right now, these are the libraries, JS libraries or CSS libraries that are added to the application. They cannot be removed. As you can see, there are no remove delete items, but uh, as soon as we add more, sorry, as soon as we add more libraries to the CDN, there will be a list here, so you can choose from them, and they will be available for this page. You can link your external CSS file here, or you can write your page-specific CSS here, and scripts also. Okay. The third option is File Manager. You can do anything you like and you expect from any file manager, but it does a couple of more things. Let me show you. Okay, I'm going to edit this image, so I just select it and edit. You can resize your image here. If, for example, you have a 4 megabytes image, and obviously it's not good for web, so you have to downsize it. So you would reduce the size, and then you would go to edit it. I think I'm going to do cropping. Okay. And I'm going to do a filter of first let me just blur it for okay, and sepia, black and white, negative, no, not negative, black and white. Do I want to rotate it? No, but actually I want to flip it. Okay, and watermark. Do I want to put image watermark or text watermark? You can pick image from server. You can pick image from your computer. Or you can put an text watermark. Okay, this size would be 80 or not 100. Oh, the watermark is also flipping. See? Okay, not a problem. The color should be red. Aha, because we are in the Okay, and let's rotate it. Uh-huh. Okay, and save as. Hello. Okay, here we have our image. Yes. Okay, here you have context menu. You can select multiple items, compress them as a zip. You can extract it. You can rename it, copy it. Here, you can go to the subfolders and okay. I'm going to add a picture. Uh-huh. No, actually, it's not a good image. Same. Okay. Here I put some text. Okay. Hotel Kianfar. Okay, the font size. No, no, no. 25. Okay, I'm going to add search capability. Search, where are you? Google search. Okay. And which menus I covered? Oh, the last tab was search engine optimization, which you can specify for your every page. You can copy and paste your widget. You select one, you copy it, you select the zone, you paste it, you can drag it, uh, you can drag and you can copy and paste also works between the tabs. So if you have two different uh, pages, you can copy one image with its data to the other page. Uh, I mean other tab. Okay. Text also supports inline editing. If I just double click on it, it will go to the inline edit mode. So I can say, hi, my name is Kianfar. can go for 20 and I just save it. Okay, I select this zone. I want to add another zone below it, exactly here. I don't want to do it in another row. I just want to do it under this zone. So I select it. I say I want another row. Because the space is limited, it tells me that I can pick one section, or I can divide it in two, but one is good. Add, see, I have it here. I can, undo and redo is also working. So if I undo, redo, see, not only one action, you can undo and redo as many times as you want. Okay, here I'm going to, let me just save it for a second. Okay. Sorry. I select this one. I add another image. Yeah. Here I pick an image just to show you that inline edit is also working inside the page editor, not only in the file manager, but I will remove it later. Okay, if I just double click it, see, I can edit the image right in the middle of the editor. I can rotate it. I can apply filters just like before. And I think black and white is good. And save. I think it is good. Okay. Okay, let me add a menu. So I say add row to the top. I think a zone or something is selected. Okay, one. Yeah. I add a menu. I call it menu one. Okay. I gave it a name, so if I save it, later I can use the menu in any page, and I don't have to create the same menu over and over again. I call it link one. And I'm going to point to this site. Which page? I'm going to point to home page. No hash. Open it in the same page and put the text to the right. Okay, I'm just gonna do this for a couple of more times. Two. Okay, here I'm going to add submenus. The difference between this title and this title is this one is actually going to be shown on the markup on the page. This one is for when you hover over it. Okay, you get the idea. Don't need to do this all day. I forgot to say I want this one to be vertical or horizontal. Let's This one is horizontal. Okay. Now let's do something cool. Just copy it. I can just Control C, select the zone and Control V. My Mac, Control C, Control V. Okay. My keyboard, copy widget, and paste widget. Okay, now I edit it and say I want this one to be vertical. See? Okay, save it. Okay, now see, you can have as many widgets as you want. You can integrate it inside the editor. Right now, I don't know how many widgets we have. 1, 2, 3. We have 29 widgets. And for example, let me add currency widget. I want US dollar. I want Japanese yen. I want euro, Australian dollar, and well, that's it. Now, yeah, there is a little CSS part here, but nothing to worry. Uh, do we have container widgets also. Let me add another row. This one to the bottom. I want it to be 2 sections. I can add accordion. We can add what do you call this? Tabs. You can add widgets to this also. Let me add what do we want? Time. Okay. I want a clock. I want it to be modern or classic. Yes, the color should be black, and it is good. Okay, I can have tab also. Again, you can add more tabs to it. You can reorder the tabs. Oops. Here is a formatting bug. Okay, nothing big. I add weather. Okay, which city you want to choose? I want first you can pick it from Iran or you can search it with OID or and this one is the okay. Let's just that's fine. Why you are not showing the weather detail? Maybe we have a problem connecting to Yahoo server. I don't know, but this should be working. See it? Aha. Okay. Let's add a countdown also. Okay, for where I want it to go to this day and the hour. Oh, oops, see, overflow hidden. Oopsie, oopsie. Okay, yes. These are the widgets I implemented for now. Uh, there can be as more as any kind you like. Let me just add a news also. We have a slider. Let me uh, news. Okay, I call this one test. From all news, pick automatically, important one, and with more comments. Show the image. If I wanted to pick, I would say pick one to one, but oops, we have no news, but I think in the editor we will show for fake news. Yes, there are four fake news. You get the idea. You can do anything you want. The markup is clean. And if you are not satisfied with the editor and you are a developer, you can just simply go and add whatever you want here. Just press the save button and the page will be reloaded. I hope you like my video. I know it is not a beautiful page, and the reason behind it is I'm not a graphist. I am a coder, and I did this builder by myself. No one. I have a guy called named Mehran. He helped me do CSS stuff. I don't like CSS, and thanks to him, I didn't do any CSS. But I hope you like.